Let's watch our Angry Birds.
Okay.
Let's turn on.
Lo siento mucho, pero hoy en Angry Birds se acabó la película, porque no lo viste a tiempo. Entonces, ¿qué tal si miras Pokémon Detective Pikachu? Después, Angry Birds, la película que acaba de mostrar, el día 23 a las 6:15 de la tarde.
But Emoji Lady, I don't like Pokemon, I like watch Angry Birds.
But Ellie, the last one.
What happened? Why are you crying? Looks like a tantrum.
What happened?
Dad, the Emoji Lady Angry Birds movie times are over, and then call her mother and pick her up.
Oh, wait a minute, I'm going to get the sandal. What time it's?
It's 21:59.
Wait a minute, you'll see yourself in Emoji Lady.
But at honor_Mexico, you can't hit me. Remember, I finished the schedules for .1 and his gang. You can't hit me.
Shut up.
But at honor_Mexico stops, swear you'll.
See yourself.
Stop.
I won't stop.
I said it's not to end during other channel schedules. Go home right now.
Hello.
Emoji Lady, what's making you late here?
It finished the schedules for the Angry Birds film.
Emoji Lady, how are you? Or have you finished the schedules for Angry Birds? The film is this. You're being punished in for 160,857,295 years go in the wind now.
Hey, did you like the video? Leave a like to win a blue cake. Well, ring the ball, and until the next video. And subscribe to the channel. Comment in the comments what you think. Leave a like here. You will find several videos for everyone.